So hey guys, and welcome back to Stay Gamer channel. So today we are here to talk about Pokemon Go, means how to download and install Pokemon Go on your phone without any errors. So let's get started.
There's a fire by the fire brigade. So tonight we losing this fight. So tonight is
Okay guys, now we're back, and so firstly you can see that in Play Store sometimes it gives a little bit problem, like if you type Pokemon Go, Pokemon games if you type, and then there will be Pokemon Go, and then you have to click on Pokemon Go. I have already enabled VPN, so I'm not having any errors. Okay guys, now many of the mobile don't accept it, means they write this item is not available for your device or for your country. Okay, so whatever it is, now you have to go to Play Store, means you have to go and visit Play Store, then you have to write VPN master, then you can see that VPN proxy master free security is in the first one. You have to click on it and then you have to install it. I've already installed it, so I won't install it again because I've already installed it. Okay, now you have to open it. Now after opening this, you can see that here's by tapping I agree, you agree to our privacy policy. You have to click on I agree. Okay, so now let's wait for it. So now guys, so retry. Okay, now they're connecting to me, and now I'm getting connected to VPN, and means my my IP will be changed, and then I will be able to play this means Pokemon Go or any other games. Okay, any other apps, whatever. So connection timeout, please retry. Okay guys, whatever it is. So now after retrying it, you are at the fastest server, means you have to select they are connecting, and now I have to load them. Now let's wait for it a bit. No, not VIP. So guys, now you can see that here are many things. So guys, I didn't got means VIP. As you can see, every servers has VIP, means fastest server, every fastest server contains VIP, means they just need VIP all entire boat. And if you click on free, you can see there are some options, like you can see Singapore, India, Netherlands, Germany, United States, New York, Canada, United Kingdom, United States, and many more, and France also, means Paris. Okay guys, now you can see that connection United States and France are too much low, means they are now having a bit lags. Now you can whatever it is. So now click let me click Germany. Let's see if it gets connected. Okay guys, so let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it a bit. Sorry. Oh my god, connection timeout, please rewrite. Sorry guys, I totally forgot that I already enabled this. Now I am not being able to enable it because I am just using free trials. Okay, no problem. It means if you have good connections, means your Wi-Fi, and then you have means a good connection, you have mobile data, etc, you can use this right now. Okay, whatever it is. Now you have to go to Play Store. My one is already done, so my one is not coming. Now you can see Pokemon Games is, as you can see, Pokemon Games is now totally working, and it means I'm able to play it clearly. Okay, what is this? Sorry, I started the gameplay by mistakenly. As you can see that my Pokemon Games is now being able to install, like I am clicking on install and it's being installed. I don't have enough space in my mobile, that's why it's not working. Okay, whatever it is, that's my mobile's problem, not yours. As you can see, this game is amazing, and you can do this to any games, any apps, anything. Like Slider.io it gives some errors, but as you can see that this also stopped giving errors, and it's amazing. Agar.io also gives a bit errors sometimes, not mostly. It sometimes, and many more. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please smash the like button if you really liked it, and from today you have to click on the subscribe for new guys. Also check my old videos, they're awesome, and those will be awesome, and that will be cool, and that will be also helpful to you if you use PC. Okay guys, so today we were about to talk about the giveaway, but giveaway means I couldn't publish the giveaway results today because I decided to give the giveaway results in my next San Andreas multiplayer video of PC. Like I played Sam in in the previous video, whatever it is. So guys, I will make a next video about PC. It means I'm playing San Andreas multiplayer and annoying servers, etc. There will be fun, there will be enjoy, and there will be also publish the giveaway results. So guys, I didn't already choose 2 persons yet, because I will choose in front of you to show that it's not fake. It's totally not fake. It's totally not fake. Okay guys, whatever, thanks for watching. Smash the like button, also the subscribe button, and click the bell icon so that you won't miss a single video. Bye, take care, and see you in my next video. Bye.